Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable flash notification for incoming call in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings, scroll down, and go to Shortcuts and Accessibility. Scroll down. Here you can see flash notifications. If you want to set your flash notification for incoming call, you just have to turn on the button. That's it. So this is how to enable flash notification for incoming call in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.